Samsung is on the verge of launching a highly anticipated mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A56, and it's creating quite a buzz. With a slew of exciting certifications and leaks circulating, we're getting a clearer picture of what this device will offer. A major highlight is that the Galaxy A56 will come pre-installed with One UI 7 based on Android 15 right out of the box. Let's take a closer look at everything we know so far. Recently, the Galaxy A56 passed through the U.S. Federal Communications Commission's certification process under the model number SMA 566E. This version is expected to be primarily available in markets across Asia and the Middle East. While certifications like this are common, one particular detail has stood out. A screenshot from the phone's status information screen included in the certification document has revealed that the Galaxy A56 will run Samsung's One UI 7 interface. This confirmation adds to earlier reports that the phone will be powered by Android 15, offering users a fresh and upgraded experience right from the start. While leaks from sources like Geekbench had already hinted at Android 15, this FCC certification provides concrete evidence of One UI 7 integration. The new software brings a host of design and functional improvements, ensuring a smoother, more intuitive user interface for those looking for an efficient and enjoyable smartphone experience. As for the hardware, the Galaxy A56 is set to deliver impressive specifications. The phone will feature 5th-generation connectivity, making it a great choice for anyone who wants fast, reliable mobile internet. Additionally, Bluetooth version 5.3 will provide enhanced wireless performance, ensuring a stable and high-quality connection when using Bluetooth devices such as headphones, speakers, and even during file transfers. Charging speed is another area where the Galaxy A56 stands out. With 45-watt fast charging support, this smartphone is designed to top up your battery in a fraction of the time compared to many other devices in the same price range. Whether you need a quick recharge during a busy day or just want to get back to using your phone without waiting, this feature will be a game changer for many users. In addition to the Galaxy A56, the certification process has revealed that 2 other A-series models, the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A26, are also in the pipeline. While details about these devices remain scarce, it's clear that Samsung is preparing to update its A-series lineup in a big way. The certifications suggest that these models could be launching soon, giving customers a wide range of options to choose from. Combining the latest software with top-tier hardware features, the Galaxy A56 looks like it will be a solid contender in a competitive mid-range market. Samsung's decision to include One UI 7, along with advanced features like 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and 45-watt fast charging, shows that the company is focused on delivering a device that meets the needs of today's smartphone users. For those considering a new phone, the Galaxy A56 offers an exciting package. With the latest version of Android, a seamless user interface, fast connectivity, and rapid charging, it's shaping up to be a great choice for those who want a reliable device that doesn't break the bank. What do you think of the Galaxy A56? Does its combination of advanced software and impressive hardware make it the perfect choice for your next smartphone? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all of Samsung's latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a game changer in the world of smartphones, standing tall among its competitors with a range of advanced features and a sleek design. This flagship device builds upon the impressive foundation set by its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and brings some noteworthy upgrades that elevate the user experience to a whole new level. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device so exceptional. The camera system is one of the most exciting features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has packed the phone with a versatile quad-camera setup that includes a stunning 200-megapixel primary camera equipped with optical image stabilization for incredibly sharp and detailed images. Along with this, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a second 50-megapixel super telephoto lens for even greater flexibility in your photography. The ultra-wide lens with an aperture of f1.9 also supports phase detection autofocus, making it perfect for macro shots with amazing detail. Combined with the advanced image signal processor and the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, this setup ensures vibrant colors, minimal noise, and stunning dynamic range in every shot. For those into content creation, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers some serious capabilities. You can shoot 50-megapixel raw images and record 8K videos at 30 frames per second using multiple lenses, including the primary, ultra-wide, and super telephoto cameras. The new Galaxy Log format is designed to offer a flat color profile for your videos, which gives creators more control over color grading in post-production. The single-take mode and multi-frame capture are also available, which adds extra creativity and ease to both photography and videography. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, a significant upgrade over the previous model, with a 37% faster central processing unit, a 30% more powerful graphics processing unit, and a 40% quicker neural processing unit. The device is built to handle everything from gaming and multitasking to complex AI-driven tasks without breaking a sweat. This chip is built on a 3-nanometer fabrication process, which not only boosts performance but also improves energy efficiency, extending battery life even under heavy usage. Eye features are also a big selling point for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tasks that would usually require an internet connection can now be processed directly on the device, making them faster and more reliable. Samsung has upgraded its AI-driven tools, including Browsing Assist, Writing Assist, and Audio Eraser, to provide features like article summarization, grammar improvements, and enhanced audio editing in videos. These improvements make everyday tasks more efficient and convenient. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beauty to behold. It's thinner, narrower, and lighter than its predecessor, making it more comfortable to hold for longer periods of time. The use of Grade 3 titanium and Gorilla Glass armor, too, ensures the device is not only durable, but also resistant to accidental drops. Plus, the screen's reduced glare and reflections make it more enjoyable to use in different lighting conditions. Sound quality has also seen a noticeable upgrade, with louder stereo speakers that deliver enhanced audio for calls, music, and videos. What if your smartphone could completely redefine how you capture the world? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, that's exactly what you get. It's not just a smartphone, it's a tool that empowers creators to capture the highest quality video imaginable, and it does so with ease and precision. This device is here to push the boundaries of mobile technology and offers an exceptional experience, especially when it comes to video recording. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse when it comes to cameras. What truly sets it apart is its ability to record in stunning 8K resolution. And this isn't just available on one camera. Samsung has made sure that 3 of its main lenses support this groundbreaking feature. You get the primary 200 megapixels camera, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera, all capable of capturing video in 8K at 30 frames per second. This is a huge leap forward in mobile video recording, giving you flexibility and the ability to shoot videos with unmatched detail, regardless of the scene. Whether you're shooting vast landscapes or close-up shots, the level of detail you can achieve is absolutely remarkable. Samsung has spent years refining its 8K video capabilities, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a testament to that. In the past, the limitation for 8K video was that the camera sensor had to be at least 33 megapixels to handle the resolution. With the S25 Ultra, however, this hurdle is easily surpassed thanks to its ultra-wide camera, which now boasts a 50 megapixel sensor. This improvement makes it possible to shoot incredibly detailed footage of wide open spaces or large groups of people in one shot, offering a wide field of view without compromising on quality. But let's be honest, no device is perfect, and there is one small limitation to consider. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers 3 different cameras capable of shooting 8K video, once you begin recording, you cannot switch between the primary, ultra-wide, or telephoto lenses. You have to stick with the camera you started with for the duration of the video. It's not a huge issue, but it's something that Samsung could potentially address in future models. Having the ability to seamlessly switch between cameras while recording would be a game changer for creators, and there's hope that the next iteration will offer this feature. Speaking of future possibilities, the rumor mill is already buzzing about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and people are speculating what improvements Samsung could introduce. One of the biggest discussions revolves around the camera setup. Many were expecting this year's model to upgrade the 3x zoom camera to a 50 megapixel sensor, but that didn't happen. Instead, the 3x zoom camera still uses a 10 megapixel sensor, which isn't powerful enough to record in 8K resolution. If Samsung makes this upgrade next year, we could see all rear cameras capable of capturing 8K video, giving creators more freedom and flexibility when filming. Imagine being able to switch between lenses while maintaining the same high-quality 8K resolution. Now that would be incredible for video production. For now, though, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands tall as one of the most advanced smartphones for video recording. It's setting a new standard for what mobile phones can do, and it's clear that Samsung is committed to making even more improvements in the future.